everybody, and welcome back to CC and Lulu. Today we have another fun American Girl doll craft for you. We're going to make a bookshelf for our dolls. And this is such a fast and easy craft, and it's so cute with all their little books. And I have books that I'll show you that you can put on these, that you can order from our Etsy shop if you want to. Well, the first thing you need is this acrylic shelf, and this thing is sturdy. It's really thick and just the right size, and it fits the books really well, just perfect. And you can get this on Amazon, and we will put the link below of where you can get these. Now this is a little bit costly. I found a cheaper one, but it ended up being way too small. It wasn't as deep, so the books hung off like a good inch or so, and they wanted to topple off all the time. So I went ahead and bit the bullet and bought this more expensive one. But this is mainly the cost of the whole craft. The other things you can get at the dollar store. I got these fun strips of blingy gems that you take them off in the strips. And then I got these at Joann Fabrics. I got them on clearance, little washi tape. You want the things to be adhesive backed, so like sticker type stuff. Makes it easier. And then these I got at the Dollar Tree as well to just decorate with. That's all you need to do this. So let's get crafting. We're gonna start. Well, I guess I need my handy glasses. Okay, find the end of your washi tape. This is just how I'm gonna decorate it, but you can do it any way you want to. Then this just sticks. Okay, so we're done with the washi tape. Then I'm going to take strips of these. There. You have to be real careful getting these off so they don't come off individually. That makes it a pain. I'm just going to put these along the sides. I'm going to start taking them off really slowly and carefully so they don't separate from each other. Look at how cute this is coming. Okay. Very sticky. Okay, that's the back part, and we're going to go up the other side. It's good that it's so sticky, so it'll stay on well. Look at how cute this is coming along. Okay. I'm just gonna go over it again and make sure it's all stuck down. Well, look at how cute that is. You can choose any colors or types of decorations that you want. And I'm gonna use some stickers too. That's some cute little butterfly stickers. Now you can just get creative and do these however you want to. There. I was thinking about decorating this back, but you know what? You're not going to see it once the books are in them. But if you want to, by all means, look how cute this is. And I'll put this few up here as well. There. Isn't that cute? Now these have some cute little flowers or stars on here. I think I'm going to add a few of those on here. It's so cute. You can pick any sticker your heart desires or any type of decoration that you feel like at the time. Look at how cute. So isn't this a nice size with the American Girl doll? Just a nice little bookshelf. And you could put other things on it as well other than just books. You can put her knickknacks or whatever you want to put on it. You could even make it into a kitchen shelf if you want. So now I'm going to show you the books for the bookshelf that we make on our Etsy shop and sell them on our Etsy shop. The books that we sell, they're covered memo books. They do not have any text in them, but the little girls can write their own stories in these if they want to. They're really nice little books. These are our textbook set. We've got Mystery of History, Swimming Creatures of the Fifth Day, and Our Universe. How nicely they fit. The next are popular Dork Diaries. There's 9 different titles of these. So you can, and I think we sell them in sets of 3. So you can go to Etsy and look those up. And then the next we have all the Dr. Seuss. A lot of different titles from Dr. Seuss. Have fun. Then we have the Hunger Games series. And then we have the 3 of the Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I think it turned out so cute and it's really easy to make. So have fun, get creative. You can choose any colors, any type of decorations that you want, as long as they're adhesive back. That's what'll keep it simple for you. So have a terrific day. Have fun crafting for your American Girl dolls. We love you, priceless beauties. Bye.